Hello traders, I'm Orlando and welcome to another video here on the Learn to Trade channel. Today we're going to talk about the GBPUSD. Is the GBPUSD bullish? Is it bearish? We are going to have a look at that right now. But before we go any further, please subscribe to the channel if you like what you see and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I go live. I go live every single day at 6:30 a.m. my time. That's about 30 minutes before the market opens, the New York session opens. Don't miss that out. Right, so the GBPUSD, pretty funny how it's trading at the moment. Why? Why do I say that? Because what we are looking here, we are looking at a possible breakout and retest of this massive level. Now, we need to look at the DXY. First of all, we need to look at how the US dollar is trading. And the US dollar is trading still inside of this bearish structure, right? We are seeing some bullishness out of the US dollar at the moment, but this can be just a retest of the previous broken lows or a retest of this structure just for further downside continuation, because what we are looking here is a pullback to that 9170 level, which we all know is a huge level, historic level, a huge historic level on the higher time frame. So let's go back to the GBPUSD, and the GBPUSD, we have seen a big move from the lows. From the lows, we have seen the GBPUSD gone from last month's and this month's lows to this week's highs on a rise of about 290 pips or 2.1%. Now we are seeing some bearishness out of the pound versus the US dollar, and actually the pound versus all major currency pairs. If you look at the Euro GBP rising, the pound yen dropping. But if we continue to look at the pound versus the US dollar, what we are seeing right now is a possible breakout and retest of the previous week's highs. Now let me catch you on what I'm looking at. What I'm looking at is this level right here. This level right here. This is the pivotal level that we have been trading in so far. Now hear me out. This level was very important historically now, because here is where sellers were protecting, or sellers were positioned, right? And here is the levels that buyers broke eventually with striping all the sell orders in place here, and then took control of this market. When we went trading down again, this is the level that was the battlefield again between buyers and sellers. So right now we are trading back down to the 137.80 level, which is inside of this massive range. And I'm not saying massive range because it's a big range. I'm just saying massive range because it is a massive level on this market. And right now it's looking very bearish, but to me there is no trade at the moment. And more so, I wouldn't be bearish, I wouldn't be selling this above this pivotal level, right? My sales would have taken place below that pivotal level. So I have two possible scenarios. The first one would be a retest of this level, a rejection, and then a continuation higher, right? And then the other one, which is looking as the most likely scenario, would be a break of this level and then a retest back of this level. And when I see some rejection back of this level, then I will look for some good opportunities to short into some strength on a pullback to that level. Now, at the moment, I see no, absolutely no setup to trade from unless these two scenarios play out. Remember also that we broke with the midterm bullish structure, bearish structure, which is this one right here. And this pullback, if we calculate it with Fibonacci retracement levels, should only be about a 38.2% or so. Now, that is not a big, really to the pip, the 38.2%. That is really not a big sign of a reversal at all. So what I would be looking for is maybe some structure in this market. Let's have a look if we get some structure in this market, right in yeah, I mean, we have broken with the immediate structure, with the immediate bearish bullish structure in this market. But you know, having said that, the possibility of a pullback or a bounce of that pivotal zone, look at that pivotal zone all throughout this ranging or this trading range, right? We're talking about about a 84-day range with that pivotal zone in play. So heads up to that, right? We could in fact be looking at a pullback towards big buyers or just a breakout retest for more sales. Heads up to any of those two scenarios, and if you want to be part of the VIP team, you know the link is below this video.